What's up, guys? Jonathan with One Big Impact here. And if you guys remember, a couple months ago I did a video on those steps. Where are they? Those steps. And I got rid of, I had a long bar there, like a long, not Nerf bar, oh my gosh. You know what the hell I'm talking about. Steps. I'm going completely freaking brain dead right now. I'm a little tired and a little cranky, okay? But, so I hate those. I hate these steps. And I think it's because they're just oddly placed. I mean, if there was like two of them, maybe that would be better. But in all honesty, I can't stand them. And they're fine. You can have them if you want them. But I'm replacing them. And this is the box that I'm replacing them with. And I'm going back to the regular full-on steps that are like 6 feet long that go all the way from the front to the back. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Sorry about that helicopter that's going by. We are going to have some hardware, which is good considering I don't want to buy hardware in addition. And that might sound crazy, but you really never know until you get something in the mail. Boom. These are the animals. Just so you can see them. Running boards. Oh my god. Finally I figured it out. I don't know why I went so brain dead on that. Running boards, side rails, Nerf bars, whatever the hell you want to call them. But I do want to show you the texture before I get started on installing them. Because this is kind of like the old school look running boards, but it's got a twist and I'm actually really liking it. I hope you could see it. I hope you could see it's got like, maybe I could turn it this, oh there you go, now you can see it. See it? It's got like a texture to it, but it's not rough. It's grippy but not rough. So more importantly, I think it's like an aesthetic look, which is kind of nice. And then I was kind of worried that these were going to be too short, and they're not. They're actually probably close to 2 feet, maybe 18 to 20 inches long. And they do feel like they are significantly grippy. And then on the ends, you got a place for bolting. It looks like there's going to be a center mount and then another end mount, which is kind of funny because I actually left the old hardware on, like the two brackets on the truck, so hopefully on the left side, so hopefully that assists us. Let's go get started. By the way, these will be in the link in the description below. If you are looking for unboxing or review videos and you want to send me anything, please feel free to email me at thrifttime@gmail.com, thrifttime@gmail.com. Let's go get started. Okay, so I got to take the old step off, but just to mention something, if you do have the old hardware, it looks like it lines up, so we'll see. Okay, so here's a view of like all the hardware. Just as a side note, I thought it was pretty cool that all of the hardware was textured. I'm probably not going to use that hardware on one of the sides, but the other side I will. But There is a pretty big cautionary note in the instructions to when you mount to the body bolt, just to be careful about thread locking and stuff like that, so that you don't strip them out and don't use certain type of machine. Anyway, that being said, I'm going to use the mounting stuff that I got, and then I will use the down bracket. And it looks like the center bracing, it looks like it's going to be this guy and this guy, which should in theory sit like that, and that goes up to the body bolt, and then this end over here will go over to the center of the running board, like in the middle, just to brace the middle. But I'll put the sides on and then we'll see where that goes, or if it's even necessary. My old one didn't have one, but I will say I did feel it flex, and let's be honest, I'm not a little guy, so it could be useful. Okay, so I got it on and it actually looks freaking sick. I'm not even gonna lie, like, not even trying to be weird, but oh my gosh, thankful that I got this back. But it does feel like it probably needs a brace in the middle, so I could probably get away without doing it, but I am going to line it up and see what happens. The hardware lined up exact from the old stuff, so that was really cool. The other side, I do not have hardware, so I will use the hardware provided. Maybe this would be kind of weird, but these bolts that I put in here are 19 millimeter, and the body bolt right here is going to be 18 millimeter socket, just FYI. Okay, so I suppose I should talk about this really quick. If you put this bracket on, like the one that goes here, first, before putting the body bolt back in, it won't work. You just won't be able to get it in there. So don't attach the long bracket to the short bracket until you had started this. And then you're gonna have to kind of finagle it in there and like that, and then maybe lean it to the side to get those other bolts in. Okay, that cross member took a lot longer than the sides because the hardware was already on. See the outcome? And let's let this be the result. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. And now I know right away why it didn't work with the other one. This is where my foot lands. The step for the other one was way over there. Makes sense. So you're gonna repeat the same damn thing on the other side. Although I will be using the hardware on the other side. I'm gonna see if I can install the hardware. I would say the other side's probably gonna take about 30-45 minutes. Try to do that before my clients come in. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Those steps are great if you don't have steps, or if you're needing like clearance in the middle of your truck. I do absolutely zero 4x4ing because my truck's not a 4x4, but also because I just don't want to fuck my truck up that much. I'm kind of out of that mindset. If I do that, I'll get the right truck for it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and go check out yours in the description. Get your ass out there and have fun. Bye.